Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating the easiest causes fast. Verify game files and run a driver clean install so the graphics stack is reliable. Once done, disable overlays and background recorders because they commonly inject hooks that trigger access violations. Make sure to reboot after driver changes so Windows unloads old modules. If you use mods, temporarily move the mods folder out. That isolates third-party code. These steps reduce noise and let you see if the error persists from core files or external additions. Now you dig deeper. Run the game as administrator and set compatibility if needed, because permission or subsystem mismatches can cause access violations. Next, open Event Viewer and find the faulting module name to see whether the crash points to a driver, DLL, or game executable. Then run a GPU stress test and Windows memory diagnostic to rule out hardware instability. Intermittent hardware faults often masquerade as application access violations. Keep notes of module names and timings to spot patterns for the final fixes. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Backup saves, remove leftover configuration files, then reinstall so corrupted local configs can't trigger the fault. If drivers are suspect, roll back or try a specific DCH or studio driver version known to be stable. That often resolves incompatibility access violations. Finally, if the crash continues, capture a crash dump and include the faulting module when contacting support or mod authors. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the crash once while collecting logs so
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.